What is it called when you get a whiff of something and for a quarter of a second you get a hyper-specific niche reference smell in your brain? I need to understand why that happened.
The powerful link between smell, memory, and emotion is often called the Proust effect, named after Marcel Proust, who wrote about memories being triggered by taste and smell. Smell is closely linked to memory because of how the brain processes scents, and it's down to key regions in the brain. These are the amygdala and the hippocampus. The amygdala helps to attach emotions to experiences, while the hippocampus is responsible for forming and retrieving memories. And when you detect a smell, the signal travels through the olfactory bulb. Because smell signals go straight to these areas, scent often becomes strongly tied to how you felt in a particular moment. The human nose has hundreds of smell receptors, each designed to detect specific odor molecules. When these molecules enter the nose, they match with the right receptors like a key fitting into a lock. This activates special cells called olfactory sensory neurons, which send signals to the brain. If the brain decides that the smell is important, especially if it's tied to a strong emotion, it can store that memory for a very long time. In fact, research shows that memories triggered by smells are often more emotional and can go back further in a person's life compared with memories that are triggered by other senses. And this has evolutionary origins. Our ancient ancestors relied on smell to build maps of their surroundings and to remember where they'd been, and bad smells could also help to alert them. Scientists think that the power of smell could have implications for the treatment of PTSD in humans. It's also possible that scents might help to recall lost memories in people with dementia, Alzheimer's, and other conditions that cause memory loss. This is known as reminiscence therapy, but it's still in the early stages of research. Thanks for asking this question. It's a fascinating area of developing research. Keep asking questions and never stop learning.